Hi friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn RSGIS. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate geometric attributes or geometric information in your shapefile or our study area. For geographic projection system, you will get degree decimal units, and for UTM projection system, you will get meter coordinate information. Please follow all steps to get the accurate output. If this video is helpful and improve your knowledge, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.